Good night, mates. Commodore Javert here. I'm out here in the wild that is my apartment. I've come upon a great beast this morning, and I know just how to tackle it. Look at this. Oh, it's putrid. And I'm gonna blame that on either the person above me or the person below me had to put food down in their sink and BAM! It's clogged up. So now I must brave whatever it is, and I must conquer this foe. Let's go. Okay, mates. I gotta brave this beast, so what I was thinking, get a trash bag. Alright, it's the last one, so this is my only chance. Get some rubber gloves, I got a broomstick over there, and we're gonna hit the garbage disposer and see if it goes. Alright, mates. I'll see you there. Got a broom. Let's rock and roll. Oh! It's working! Huzzah! As you can see, I just got a haircut. So I just got done with the ACT, and right after that, I drove immediately to get a haircut, and now I am here at ORU, my brother's campus, because I think the baseball field's over there. Because